Yada CBM Samuel Kwabado Badum TV Badwam so yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwa Senin Kranshan Sam Dedu Sono Badwam Kasian Sama Betie wo mu bi eni enra da beto dwa se EOCO one more actually asantemantam MPP amanekuo no dwamtena ni yede eno ebebro na fe yakọ adekese adehye ye wo ho ne mmoa enanum nsuo ba ko eno ne nsem bi na no pai mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam Kasia wo share live on Facebook/ Adom TV Extra, Go TV 119, DSTV 280. Uko YouTube search Adom TV 2, kwadomonline.com. Sansemine Sembebre so ewoho. Anopei mahufadie Majoy Trish ene de mame. Ti uko Instagram oho na so akope biase. Medi de afia amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni de mientie se de nsɛm chemu ankasa etie. Enrada enebeto edwase Economic and Organized Crime Office EOCO one more actually asantemantam MPP amanyekuo no wondwentene ni Bernard Ntwibu asiako adodo na friend no Chairman Wontumi
ewo police CID ade ne ho betre wo bai wandi 5 minutes kwa wo do court yard kwa ne se emrante bia mo na sheka mo a yede no aba EOCO headquarters hawo
Anana ojina hin no mutimi mu ane sa no.
Me see o court yard kwa nte wo ba CID ho da. O bu court yard ko no a. En ya mu no aheka mu a menua yede na ba ye friend say EOCO headquarters ha.
Enti uwo EOCO hobi.
Sesi me jina ni mu a.
Na eno no na ne lawyer ka ne ho ana.
Le lawyer o ka ne ho aya and ya pia kubi. Ya ma na sign kura free wa omde ni wura omo dem
into owo EOCO ho ane lawyer nka ho.
Yes o EOCO ho ya ma ni lawyer apie ababonte a enche bia na general secretary Justice report kodua ene na BECE so aduru ho a omo de omo wuram na aden obi na aden e de na ekoso wo mai mu o mai abato ne ekoto ye adanse ye ku ditam ye
Yada se yato so na this year ya wa de kese kunsu electoral area no working tampo bensin mu ene ya make se wo mu ne nyammoa emoa ene no mu nso ba kuntu wo mo sra ban no ene wona wonsem wo bie so mra emeye nsupa ema wo
meta met pamina twe wo hasa na twe ni ha ade ha ani perko mo bebere na ye nso no mu ya so ye num
Sunya ya jad eni na jare enu na nsuo wa ha nyina enu na yedi ya aduano eni na jare eni na enum na enso
so ese ya ma ya ni abere pa o ya nkwala mo yare esa mo nom kra na ade yade ma omo sel ya so yede omo kodo ta se nsuo nu ba bia ye besa esa na nkwa na omo yere tembia na ede omo komo boye ka omo binu kra ye kwanya omo kra
Gilbert Kofi Bayi a assembly member ewo Kunsu West electoral area ono so de nsem eto aso
se obehwe ha aha ye babia BECE community nankasa na ye communal labor ena omabo amana kasiesi ato ho a eba se nsuo no edu dry season a aha nko a ne babia omunya nsuo yeden esa enti this year no enam enantwisem a abedoso ene chainsaw operators abedoso no omo depending so wo Kunsu river eno na ye natural source of water omo depending sa ensuo ni nyina awe na anantwie no enam se omo nya nsuo ewo Kunsu river no munti omo adane omo ani aba ha omo ne adikase krunu epre nsuo kakra ya ewa ha
ene a make say ya so ye hwe ngomasua so nso abie mu kwan se BECE esukufo one more ebetumi akọ na junior high schools a one more senior high schools a one more epes one more ekọ training institutions no one more tumi aye won selection Adom kase etwasui.
And parents, guardians are required to fill it out. Friends of the media, it is important to note that parents may seek guidance from their junior high school authorities in filling out the school selection forms. Parents are entreated to take a keen interest in this school selection exercise, as this will determine the high school the awards will attend after the completion of their basic education.
National Coordinator with the Free SHS Policy Secretariat no ano Benita Sena Okitidua abokoko se wonya de dusuani bi etu school bi mu a oni hu kwan so obesesa no.
Select 7 schools in total, 5 main and 2 alternatives. Your 5 main schools should be ranked in order of preference, with the first being the most preferred choice. Please note that candidates placed in any of their choices will not be changed. And I emphasize on that, will not be changed.
Yeguswa ya wanguma siampenifo nhyehyɛ a wɔde to hɔ yi na mmerɛ bi atwam no anka yenim se aban suku sahodo eba senior high school mu a wɔn select a wɔn mo A schools no wɔn wɔ ha mu nkyɛmu aduasa 30% say yɛde wɔn beto A schools no nso ne yate so ɛde aba 15% a no more no private schools ɛkasa fa ho.
About the 30% equity, yes, I am pleased to let you know that our Honorable Minister has slashed that 30% down to 15%, starting with effect from this academic year.
Dr. Clementa Park swafo abedi akira wo hwe adesua ho nsem so wono so kato aso se wonom e de ankrankra schools e ka free SHS policy ne ho a ebeboa ama double track system no watumi aye ne kakra e free ho no mo.
To include private schools in the delivery of the policy. Indeed, the commitment was not made lightly. I can report authoritatively that the engagements have been done.
Obenefo Nana Kwesi Jantua, National Executive Director, Wanekwa Amina Taylor, Oye Director of Corporate Affairs, Ghana National Council of Private Schools, Eni Amani Buni Etutrim Komwa, Wanom Edin Semsei Etonenim.
Nyame boa next academic year no se owofo bi ehun ni se odene ba e ko private school a ono no nso so wagye ayeden atum afede toso bie mo nso so ye masa akwan we so ene ye na wofo ene Ghanafo anya kasese a betumi ama obi ehun ni se private schools no aba be ka free SHS no.
It's a starting point. Ye sha se no ye push ya petition strage en ho ne ade but ene aban foforo aba omo ne ye sinkonya. They've stated say omate asem na ye ka no, but it has to start from somewhere. And you know, omote so from 30% to bring it to 15%. It's a good start.
TV Badwam kase na oguso hwano yemfiri ngomasiam ne yemongra yansam foforo emu aban asinkete se dream die ne keta se hye obeko e de atia sabre ya wongu ahoboso se African Union Anti-Corruption Conference won agesi wona so won crime penifo atitu anintini AU delegation na one more eba behwe ye kwanya anti-corruption ne ho ensem on betumi abobo ho aboa ama abafom.
With great purpose that we announce the upcoming state party review mission of the Republic of Ghana by the African Union Advisory Board Against Corruption from the 1st to the 6th of June 2025. This mission is a very vital component of the African Union's continental framework to strengthen integrity, assess compliance, and foster peer learning among member states in the implementation of AU Convention on Preventing and Combating Corruption.
Shamima Muslim esan katwa so say sa conference yi ema aban akwanya se de beya se de wasin kete se opese wo kon no tu kesase hyase efri oman mu no obetumi adru hu.
This supports us with a rare opportunity to reaffirm our shared commitment to a future where governance is rooted in ethics, justice, and unwavering resolve to combat corruption in all of its forms. Together, we continue to build an Africa that thrives on the principles of accountability and the rule of law. As we prepare for this mission, We reaffirm our shared vision, an Africa where governance is rooted in fairness, where public trust is earned through action.
Maminyina no sono Adom TV kase na ha ne brema kwan na no pay bedwam die no ye de sie ye da se mrani adaje a wode ma ye wada wo matwen ye fa da bon krata no ene Adom online stories na wo ho no ento so ye kwaba medidi afia amankwa tamaklo